Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 5G Art Program. We go to the instruction file. Assignment title is the Excel 5G Arts Program. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, it's Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel 5G Arts program downloaded with this project. We go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is display the hilltop lower country east worksheet and select the range A1 to J13 inside the table. Hilltop lower city east worksheets. Go to the hilltop country worksheets and select the range A1 to J30 inside the table. Copy the range and paste the range. Press enter. Insert the table. Go to the insert tab. Go to the table group. Click the tables. Click OK. So insert the table range A1 to J13. Question number 2 is the complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is sort the table on the campus column choosing the custom list. Choose the following order: hilltop, lower country, and then east. At the second level, sort by the group, and third level, sort by the program name. The both is the ascending order. Sort the table on the campus column is the custom list. Sort the data. Go to the data tab and click the sorts and campus column, choosing the list. Add the campus column, click the campus, and using the custom list is the hilltop is the custom list. Copy the custom list. If the custom list is the paste the hilltop, press enter, and lower country, and the lower country, press enter, and then east. Copy the east, press enter, at the second level, sort by the group. Click add, click OK. At the second level by the group, second level sort by the group, and third level sort by the program name. Click add level. Third level is the program name. Now both is the ascending order. Click OK. So question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is on the schedule comparison worksheets. Go to the schedule comparison worksheet and select the range A2 to F3 and then name the range is criteria. Name the range A6 to F15, choosing the name is database, and then name the range A80 to F18, choosing the extract, and paste the range. Press enter. Is the name range criteria? Is the name range is criteria. Click the name box and paste the criteria. Press enter. And name the second name range is the A6 to F15, choosing the name is database. Copy the range A6 to F15. Press enter. And using the name ranges database, copy the database and paste the database. Press enter. And then name the A80 to F18, choosing the name extract. Copy the range A80 to F18 and paste the range. Press enter. So select the range A80 to F80 is using the name is extract. In the extract and click the name box, paste the extract. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is create an advanced filter that will place in the extract area the records from the database range in which is spring is their primary schedule and summer is their secondary schedule. Create the advanced filters, primary schedule and secondary schedule, create the advanced filter that will place in the extract area from the database range is spring is the primary schedule and summer is the secondary schedule. Go to the data tab, go to the sort and filter group, click the advanced and list range is the database range is spring. So the list range is A6 to F15 and criteria range is A2 to F3, A2 to F3 is selected range and A80 to F80. The copy to another location is A80 to F18. Primary schedule and the secondary schedule. So click OK. So apply the advanced filters. Question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is display the stepped by the group worksheets. The stepped by group worksheets and sort the data ascending order, first by group and then by a co-step. Sort the data ascending order by the co-step and ascending order first by group and then by co-step. Go to the data tab and click the source and sort the data ascending order by the group, sort by a group and sort the data ascending order by a group and then by co-statement. Add the second label by the co-statement. Sort the data in order first by the group and then code by the statements in the ascending order and smallest to largest. And click OK. So question number 6 is complete. So if you want to complete assignment or exams, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.